What if an air fryer could make eating healthy not only possible, but ridiculously easy, if you do it right? So you might be thinking, I've already got an air fryer and I don't really use it. It's gathering dust in my cupboard. Or, will an air fryer really solve my diet? Will these be time efficient and easy to follow because you don't have loads of it? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my top 10 air fryer recipes that are so simple, even non-cooks can make them. These aren't just my favourites, they are the favourites from you guys who have bought thousands of my recipe books and seem to really like them. So I picked these 10. I'm going to start with a 6-minute jalapeno pizza pocket. This is so easy to make, high in protein, and goes perfect with a snack. I like lunch, have it with some soup. The next two of these air fryer hacks would be one of my most viral recipes, which is the sausage swirl. You just squish up your chicken, turkey, sausages onto a wrap, barbecue sauce, a little bit of cheese, stick it in the air fryer and enjoy. And the last one of these hacks is going to be my steak bake and steak pie. I'll couple them together. They're the same base ingredient, which you'll see in the recipe book. Now you might be asking yourself, will an air fryer actually solve my diet? The main key factors of all the people that I've helped over the years is avoidance of things like burgers and fries and things that they really truly enjoy. So when you think of a diet, think of something that's restrictive and really completely unsustainable. These are the two most popular and my personal favourite burgers that I've made, and you could eat these every day. This is a Nando's crispy burger. Super easy to make. Once you've combined all the ingredients, leave it in the air fryer, stick it into a bun with your toppings and enjoy. Next up might just be my favourite recipe, and it all came because I went to a place in Glasgow that made this burger that was definitely not low in calories. But that's what I like to try and do. Remake the stuff healthier, higher in protein, lower in calories, so that you can fit it into your diet without having to restrict it. So this was that, the salt and chili burger. Last question I get asked is really all about time and how easy something is actually to make. And if you can't really cook, will this work? These last 5 recipes are just thrown in the air fryer and you leave them. I've got 3 savoury and 2 sweet for you for those with a sweet tooth. So unless you get the timings wrong and you press the wrong button, can't go wrong. First up, we're back with the Nando's again. This is the chili jam tapas. Just coat your chicken meatballs or scrunch up some sausages into meatball shapes. Seasonings, some chili jam, pick in your veg of choice. I chose cauliflower. And if you're thinking I don't really like veg, try make it this way and then come back to me and tell me that. Then next, following the tapas theme, something that you might not have known that you can do in the air fryer. Gnocchi usually is boiled. It's an Italian dish. Similar to pasta, but it's made out of potatoes, but it comes pretty fresh. You just throw it into the air fryer. I didn't even dirty a knife or a chopping board. Chopped it up with scissors, threw it into the air fryer. It's as simple as that. Now, for those that don't like veg, chances are some of you might not like a salad. I wasn't a massive fan myself personally, but I think it was really because I was making it raw. But this bang bang crispy salad is definitely one of my favourites. I only discovered this about 6 months ago, that you could throw rice into an air fryer, and instead of croutons or something like that that's crispy, and you only get about 4 of them, adds a whole new texture to your dish. And lastly, my 2 favourite sweets are people with a sweet tooth, and that's the viral air fryer s'mores. And to add the volume to these, we are about health in this channel as much as we're about fakeaways. Add some strawberries and that dessert goes a hell of a lot further. And then, if you enjoy an apple crumble, you'll love this. The Biscoff apple crumble goes perfect with some low-calorie ice cream. There's some recipes on my page on some low-calorie ice cream, or you just buy it at the shops. As I mentioned, you get 2 choices here. You get my help for free with these videos, or the recipe book down below, or just by watching some of my other videos. And if you want to work with me personally, you can also apply below. And the next time I've got spaces, I look forward to chatting to you. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.